Peace. This is winter, Sprinter. This is springtime. This is April 2018. This is April 14th. Look at this. We walking. This is how deep this snow is, man. Y'all see this? This is ridiculous. But anyways, though, you see people got their cars stuck. It's tight out here, man. Look at how deep this damn snow is. I just stepped in that mug. How deep that is. Man, this is springtime. I gotta walk my ass in the street. Shit. Hold up, wait a minute. This is ridiculous. Oh, damn. This is not good. Somebody stuck over there. Damn. Anyways, though, what makes rain, hail, snow, and earthquakes? I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all peep this. Oh, here. Can't even see. Damn. Yeah, this is how it is up here, y'all. I'm finna go blow my little L. Find a little spot to go to. Ooh, look at that. This shit's funny, y'all, in real life. But I'm finna go over here and try to blow me a little something real quick. This shit. What's the temperature where y'all at? Shit. Let me get my... Look how deep this damn snow at. God damn. You see this shit? Alright. I made it over here in the cut so I can blow. Let me wipe off my camera. Shit. I can't be too entertaining, y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna give y'all a view of what winter or Sprwinter looks like. Yeah. People stuck, man. This is sad. But you know what? Let me put this to the side real quick. Pull out my little binag. My little, and I don't even smoke blunts, man, like that. Or, you know what I'm saying? But, shit, right now, you need an L in this weather, you know? We're gonna create it. You know what I'm saying, son? So, supposed to be 420. I'm a little early. This is my spring, so shit. You know what I'm saying? Let me light up. Turn the corner. I didn't light right. But anyway, so, yeah. So, in these conditions, we really ain't supposed to be living in this type of shit. Just to let you know.